Add to water and water the peonies. It's the best spring fertilizer for peonies. And soon the peonies will be covered in flowers in return. At this time of year, peonies start to sprout. Here's how beautifully their shoots start to grow. Spring is the right time to start fertilizing them. They are coming to life, and you can provide them with better conditions with the right fertilizer. In a few weeks, you will admire beautiful buds. They will increase every day. Then they will only bloom and smell beautiful. No one can pass by their flowers indifferently. Although they bloom briefly, it's hard to resist their charm. That's why it's worth taking care of them to make them even more beautiful this year. You can make this simple fertilizer anytime. It's best to water the peonies with it from early spring. All you need is a bucket of warm water. Prepare a fertilizer in it that will provide the peonies with the necessary nutrients for growth. It will strengthen their roots and stimulate flowering. Dissolve a cube of yeast in 10 liters of warm water. Leave it for an hour to dissolve and then water the peonies. This non-fermented yeast fertilizer is simple and quick to prepare. If you make fertilizer with yeast and sugar, then leave such fertilizer for a week. After this time, dissolve 1 cup in 10 liters of water and only then water the peonies. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. An organic fertilizer that will make your plants burst into bloom. Ever since I started using it, my neighbors can't stop admiring the results. Grab a large glass jar and a few bananas. Peel the fruit, but don't throw away the skins. That's where the magic is. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Drop 2 whole peels into the jar. Cut the 3rd peel into smaller pieces to help it release nutrients faster, and add that too. Fill the jar with cold filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It boosts beneficial microorganisms and speeds up decomposition, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Pour in a bit of vinegar to help balance the pH. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit overnight. Nature will do the rest. After 24 hours, your fertilizer is ready. Use this natural elixir once a week. Your plants will be so full of flowers, they'll practically bow under the weight. All thanks to this one simple mixture. A nourishing smoothie for your hydrangeas. Your garden will be bursting with blooms. Everything you need is already at home and usually ends up in the trash. The first ingredient, peels from 2 bananas. Though often thrown away, they're packed with valuable minerals. A true natural elixir, they contain everything your flowers need to grow lush and healthy. They boost blooming and strengthen plant resistance. Chop them up and toss them into a blender. Next, add a few eggshells. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, they support root development and help build strong stems. Now it's time for dry-used coffee grounds, a real treasure for plants. They're full of nitrogen, which encourages leaf growth and improves soil structure by enhancing drainage and moisture retention. Add 3 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of water to create a smooth, pourable fertilizer. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. You'll get a natural, eco-friendly liquid feed. Store it in a tightly sealed container and water your hydrangeas once a week. They'll reward you with lush blooms. It's like a home spa for your garden, and you'll notice the difference fast. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. I spread this on the ground around the hydrangeas. The flowers begin to shimmer with colors. More than that, they bloom longer and keep their intense color. If you are wondering why the hydrangea does not bloom, then try this trick. You literally only need a handful to nourish the flowers. We are talking about a handful of ordinary coffee grounds. They help maintain the proper acidity of the soil. Just sprinkle them around the hydrangea bush. You can also mix them with the soil and mound the plant. Coffee grounds enrich the soil with minerals. The grounds help keep the soil moist. This feature will come in handy during a heat wave. This flower is sensitive to lack of water. Deficiencies lead to rapid drying of leaves and its inflorescences. Above that, a sizable amount of grounds can affect the soil pH. If you want your flower to turn blue, regularly sprinkle the soil around it with grounds. Its heads will begin to shimmer with color. This is a natural trick to get an ombre effect. Hydrangeas can also be watered with coffee fertilizer. Add a cup of grounds to 5 liters of water. Wait until they swell and then water the plant with them. This is an ideal way to water acid-loving plants. A nourishing smoothie for your hydrangeas. Your garden will be bursting with blooms. Everything you need is already at home and usually ends up in the trash. The first ingredient, peels from 2 bananas. Though often thrown away, they're packed with valuable minerals. A true natural elixir, they contain everything your flowers need to grow lush and healthy. They boost blooming and strengthen plant resistance. Chop them up and toss them into a blender. Next, add a few eggshells. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, they support root development and help build strong stems. Now it's time for dry used coffee grounds, a real treasure for plants. They're full of nitrogen, which encourages leaf growth and improves soil structure by enhancing drainage and moisture retention. Add 3 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of water to create a smooth, pourable fertilizer. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. You'll get a natural, eco-friendly liquid feed. Store it in a tightly sealed container and water your hydrangeas once a week. They'll reward you with lush blooms. It's like a home spa for your garden, and you'll notice the difference fast.